is Joy and welcome to my vlog. So guys, for today's video we will do unboxing of my Oster personal blender. So here, chilling. So without further ado, let's start. So here is the Oster personal blender together. It has its freebies, the sports bottle. Okay, so my Oster personal blender is powerful and great for smoothies, diet shakes, and protein drinks. Quick and convenient, one-touch blending, and reusable 600 ml free sports bottle. So this is this one. So okay, and so milkshake maker. Oh, so you can make milkshake out of it. We make life more delicious for millions of families worldwide. Okay, so we'll open this now. Looks the package are good. So jang 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 jang. Fuck. Wow, what is this? So what's this one? So it has its manual too. User manual. So there is important safeguards. There is also specifications. So it looks blurry though. But anyway, this one is so the cover. Look. And here's the other stuff. So let's get this one. What do you call this? Let's open this one. So can they move a little bit? So here, Oster. So this is the blender base and power cord. So from here to this. Looks pretty. Yeah, color pink. Pink is always my favorite color though. So where's the other one? So you just have to stay there. And oh, let's open this one. Oh, so this one is the sports bottle, and this one is the blade assembly. So you have to put it on here, and then you lock. Oh no, you can't just put that first there. So when you put your smoothies or your shakes in here, you have to lock like this, and you put it in here, and you have to lock. So how to do this? Don't know how. It was locked earlier, but I don't know how to do. Okay, it's locked now. I think so. Today. So you really have to be safe because this is sharp, this one. Okay, so here's another one. Here is the free bottle. From that, there's his. So let's open this one. Oh, here it is. The extra water bottle. So I thought it's also color pink, but it's color green. But it's okay. It's still pretty. But you know, pink is always my favorite color. But both of them are pretty colors. So it's very nice and I love it. So out of this Oster blender, so there is this, how will you use your there's this manual on how will you use your Oster blender. Oh, there is also recipes here: rise and shine shake, raspberry and lemon smoothie, frozen hot chocolate. There's also protein energy shake, berry morning medley. So maybe we could try those recipes next time, you know. And 1 year limited warranty. Warranty service is available for a period of 1 year from date of purchase, subject to following exceptions. Number 1, consumable parts, damage due to improper use, alternation, abuse, accident, or installation or operation not in accordance with the local electrical code. Damage resulting from operation other than the instruction listed on this manual. Units bought more than 1 year from date of purchase. So they have this if you're from Philippines, so they have service center. So if you're also from Cagayan de Oro, since I'm from Cagayan de Oro, their service center is at YSU Marketing. It's located in Martola Street, Cogon, Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental. And if I'm not mistaken, Martola Street is at the back of Aurorama, Cogon. So let's check. There's also Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong. So it's nice, guys. It's really nice. It looks really durable and safe, and I really love it, and I can't wait to try this. Maybe I will try this later tonight. So I'll have my shake, my healthy meal replacement shake. So this is, guys, thanks for watching. So guys, it's really nice. I really would like to suggest or recommend this one, that this Oster brand, because I've heard some feedbacks that Oster is really a good brand and it long lasts. So one of my coach said that they have this kind of brand and it's been 3 years already and they're still using it. So I'm so happy that I have one right now and I can use it for my everyday use. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. So goodbye.